Hi, this is Gina with C90 Designs, and I want to share with you how to make one of these little instamax picture photo holders. They will fit the little instamax pictures. A lot of kids got them for Christmas. So to begin with, we're going to need some pattern paper, black cardstock. You can use printer paper. You're going to need some of the chipboard, some ribbon, corner cutters, some tools. So to begin with, we want to take our pattern paper and we want to cut it 2 3/4 by 7 3/4. Should be about right there. This will be the cover to our little photo album. Okay, we want to only cut one of these. And then you want to score it at 3 7/8. So find your 3 7/8 and score it. What's wrong way? You want to burnish your fold line. Then you're going to need 5 pieces of cardstock. You can use printer paper, you can use wax paper and make it into a little sticker album for your kid. And you want to cut 5 of these, and you want to score them at 3 5/8. Whoops. You want to fold it and burnish it real good. Then if you want to clip any corners, you might want to do it now. You can clip whatever corners you want. Oops. I would probably clip all of mine. And then you're going to stack them all up after you have all 5 of them. You can put in a piece of wax paper to add stickers if you're giving it away as a gift. Usually I just trim off my wax paper and the stickers will stick right on and come right off. Then you want to center them all on the score line. There it is. And then what I do, if you have a long stapler, you can staple it. I just take it over to my sewing machine and sew it on my score line, which leaves you with this sewed right across. So then you want to take your pattern paper and bend it all together and burnish it down really good. After you've done that, you want to get your topper. Your topper is going to be 2 3/4 by 2 inches. So you want to trim it, and then you want to score it in half at 1 inch, which I've already done. And then you're going to glue it onto the top evenly, which I already have done on this one. Then you're going to choose a piece of your chipboard. You can use some of the stickers from the collection to put on here, and you just want to glue that down. You can put little sentiments. Like up top here. You can put some of the stickers. Follow the yellow brick road. then put your little tag. Which here's our finished one. Then you just grab your project and slip it in. And it's got a spot for about 20 photos or for journaling. Thank you for watching. Hi, this is Gina along with C90 Designs. This is my Graphic 45 Ambassadors Audition. Basically, I made 4 mini albums out of 1 pack of collector's paper. Each page is a little different. On the first page, we have a tag that opens. On this page, we have a swinging thing. This thing opens up. It will hold several of these little Polaroids. Let's see. And then that opens down. That opens up. We have a tag up top. Next page. Each scarecrow page is different in each book. And over here, opens up, flips down, hold the photos. Well, holds several 4x6 and the little Polaroids. Up here is another tag. And this page, Emerald City. Pages, fit pictures and journaling. This page too. Top of this one has another large tag. And the last page, a little clip. Little clear acetate. It says it happened like this. And on this page we have our little books that we made, a larger photo mat in the back. And like I said, each of them's a little different, but I was able to make them, 4 of them, with 1 pad of paper, which I thought was pretty cool. So they're pretty much all the same, just a little bit of paper differences. And on the one I put wax paper in, I put a sticker on. You could peel it right up. That way if they want to put it on something, that just slides right back in there. Thank you for looking.